Okay, so we're gonna do the top shelf, okay? Guys, I don't know if you remember, but this is a piece that my husband found in the junk. And he brought it to me. It was like an off cream, dingy looking white color. And so he brought it to me and it didn't look like nothing. But anyway, what I did is I spray painted this white and I took some little styrofoam and put on the bottom. I didn't have the felt. Okay, I know Miss Martha, Divine Inspiration by Martha. Guys, go over and check out Divine Inspiration by Martha. That's my girl. She's my queen. Okay, so check her out. She does wonderful tablescapes. She is awesome. You hear me? If you have not seen any of her work, you need to go over Divine Inspiration by Martha. Yes. Okay, so this vase here, look at the details in it, guys. Just look at it. Who would throw this away, okay? But hey, it was for me. It was for me. So let's go ahead on. We're going to set this in the center. Now, I have some more eucalyptus stems, but these are longer. And I think these things was actually alive, especially these here. I got them from Burlington. I think they was like $7.99. But I think these are real because as time goes along, they getting dry and they breaking off. Okay, but these here, they are getting dry. If you can take a look at that. But anyway, it is what it is. It was for season, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and set these. It was seasonal. And I got 2 busts I'm going to use. I got Hermes, Ross, $14.99. I set him right there. Okay. And also I got this top here that came with this. I guess it's something like a ginger jar. Don't know the exact name of it, but I've been calling it a ginger jar. Anybody else know the name of it? Comment below. Okay, I'm just going to set that little top right there beside it. And this bust here is named Michelangelo. So Michelangelo goes right here. Okay, so there we are. So guys, we are all done with this table. And I'm going to show you the reveal, okay? Here is the reveal. This is what we got. And these are the items down here where I was telling you, should I use the 5 pieces or should I use the 3 pieces? You decide. Let me set that to the side. And you decide which one should I use, the 5 pieces at the bottom or the 3 pieces. And this is what we got. Guys, I think this turned out lovely using the items that I had on, using some of the items that I had on hand and using some fresh bought pieces. Okay, and I think the only thing I really purchased was this right here for this particular home decor setting. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed it, got some type of inspiration from it. And this is episode 4. Okay, this is episode 4, and I'm going to do a 5. So stay tuned, be on the lookout, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified each time when I upload another video. And I'm just going to set this back here, not giving you guys no type of indication which one I would be going with. Okay, but you decide. All right, so I think that's everything that I showed you guys. So thank you for hanging out here with me for episode 4. And I'm going to be doing 5, so look out for that. And guys, if you have not subscribed, this is a great time to do so you won't miss out on any of my episodes. And this is walking through my living room. And this is my spring, I would say, walking through my living room. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the future. And don't forget to watch my shorts, guys. They are inspirational. This is my platform of ministering to you guys by using my decoration, my home decor, and trying to uplift you, encourage you, because there's so much going on and we all need to be encouraged, okay? With God, all things are possible. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.